still close to the Sea family because one of the properties of Andrew was Taal Vista Hotel. We renovated it, we relaunched it. That was where I met the season, but it's Mr. Hansi, Mr. Elizabeth C. Oliver.
Tell me about that phone call when she said, okay, I'm gonna pull you out of here, I'm gonna bring you to our flagship, our baby, to our most important company.
So, that was 2004. The company that I was working for, the Barcelona Hotels Group, the CEO of Casero. But the CEO of Casero, I said, close to me, and I said, maybe it's time for me to move on after 4 years of working for the Barcelona Hotels and Resorts. Now, I was already actually trying to move back to Paris. Now, I already bought my plane ticket. Everything is kind of like set already. Now, I was watching movies.